In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your demo account password in MetaTrader 5. This is a simple but important task, especially if you've shared your login details before, or if you just want to keep your trading environment secure and organized. First, make sure MetaTrader 5 is open on your computer and that you're logged into your demo account. Once you can see your main trading window, look towards the top of the screen for the main menu bar. Up there, you'll find an option labeled View. Go ahead and click on View. This menu controls what panels and tools are visible in your workspace, so using it is the easiest way to bring up what we need next. After clicking View, a drop-down menu will appear. From that list, look for Navigator and click on it. If the Navigator panel was hidden before, it should now appear on the left side of your MetaTrader 5 window. This panel is where your accounts, indicators, expert advisors, and scripts are neatly organized, and it's the place where you can manage your trading accounts. Within the Navigator panel, you'll see a section called Accounts. If it's collapsed, click the small arrow beside it to expand the list. You should now see the demo account or accounts that are currently set up in your MetaTrader 5. Find the specific demo account whose password you want to change. Next, move your mouse over that demo account in the Navigator panel and right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several options for managing that account. From this menu, look for the option labeled Change Password and left-click on it. This is the command that opens the password management window for your chosen demo account. Once you click Change Password, a new dialog box will appear on your screen. Here, you'll be guided through a series of on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll need to enter your current password first, then type in your new password, and confirm it by typing it again. Make sure your new password is something secure but memorable. Avoid using obvious combinations and consider a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if the platform allows it. When you've filled in all the required fields, follow the remaining prompts, then confirm your changes. After that, your demo account password will be successfully updated and you can continue trading with your new login details.